You've heard it time and time again, email marketing matters, especially for small business owners. But when you actually sit down to do it, where do you even begin? You might spend hours trying to figure out what to share, how to design it, all the tech involved, but then you come to realize you don't even have anyone to send emails to in the first place. If this sounds like you, don't worry, I'm here to help. Hello, I am Cheryl Chan. I run a brand and website design studio, a YouTube channel called Made on Sundays, and I'm a top teacher here on Skillshare. I've been in the digital entrepreneurship space for over 6 years now, and I still find that email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to connect with my audience. In a world of ever-changing algorithms and saturated social platforms, email marketing really allows you to own your audience, helping you to show up consistently, build trust, and eventually even showcase your offerings. We are going to start from the very beginning. We're going to head into your class workbook and map out your strategy together. And then we're going to head into Flodesk and we're going to set up your 4-part email flow. Part number 1 will be your opt-in forms. This is how people are going to find you and enter your list. The second part is your lead magnet delivery. This is how you're going to deliver value and grow your list. The third part is your welcome sequence. This is how you're going to nurture your audience through an automated email sequence. And last but not least is part 4, your newsletter. This is how you're going to continuously connect with your audience through branded, consistent content. By the end of this class, you will have a beautiful and working email marketing system launched and running with no tech overwhelm. So if you're an artist, a maker, a freelancer, or any kind of creative entrepreneur and you're ready to design an intentional, beautiful, and effective email marketing system for your business, let's get started.